Breaking news from the US Supreme Court this Friday is shaking up the political map in Texas. The court has temporarily blocked a lower court ruling that said the state's 2026 Congressional Redistricting plan, pushed by President Donald Trump, likely discriminates based on race. The order, signed by Justice Samuel Alito, will stay in effect for now while the Supreme Court considers whether Republicans' new map can be used in next year's midterm elections. Historically, the court's conservative majority has stepped in to pause similar rulings when they come too close to an election, and this case is no different. The emergency move comes just an hour after Texas asked the High Court to intervene, hoping to avoid confusion as congressional primary elections approach in March. Justice Alito signed the order because he handles emergency appeals from Texas. Here's what's behind all the controversy. The new Texas map was drawn over the summer as part of President Trump's effort to protect a slim Republican majority in the House. The plan was designed to give Republicans 5 additional seats. Civil rights groups challenged the map, arguing it unfairly reduced the voting power of Black and Hispanic communities. A federal judge panel in El Paso agreed that these groups are likely to win their case if it goes to trial. If the lower court's ruling eventually stands, Texas could be forced to hold the next year's election using the congressional map drawn back in 2021 after the 2020 census. Texas was the first state to redraw its map under Trump's push, and it sparked a nationwide chain reaction. Missouri and North Carolina followed, giving Republicans extra seats in each state. Democrats have responded too. In California, voters approved a ballot initiative aimed at giving Democrats 5 additional seats. Other states' redistricting plans, including in California, Missouri, and North Carolina, are facing their own legal challenges. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court is also considering a separate case from Louisiana that could limit race-based districts under Section 2 of the Voting Rights Act. How that case might affect Texas and other states' map is still uncertain, but it could have major implications for elections across the country. For now, the battle over redistricting continues, with both parties watching closely as the court weigh in. One thing is clear, the fight over congressional maps is far from over, and it could play a big role in shaping the next Congress. What's your thought? Write down your comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Morning America.